Hi students, problem number 9. In Young's double slit experiment, the slits are separated by 0.28 millimeter and the screen is placed 1.4 meter away. The distance between the central bright fringe and the fourth bright fringe is measured to be 1.2 centimeter. The wavelength of light used in this experiment has to be determined. Very interesting problem, and this type of questions very frequently has been asked in the previous competitive exams. Okay children, now what are the given quantities? First make a list. The slit separation is 0.28 millimeter. So the slit separation is given by small d. So that is 0.28 millimeter. So into 10 power minus 3 meter. And the screen is 1.4 meter away. The distance of the screen is capital D, and that is equal to 1.4 meter. Now the distance between the central bright fringe and the fourth bright is given. So from the central bright to the fourth bright means it is the width of 4 fringes, bright fringes. Therefore 4 times beta is given. Okay, 4 times beta is given as how much? 1.2 centimeter. So 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Now we have to find what is lambda. So beta is the fringe width for one fringe, is it not? Here the fringe width for 4 bright fringes is given. 4 beta is given. So here 4 beta, I will start with 4 beta is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay. So 4 into lambda capital D divided by small d is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. So here lambda is to be determined, is it not? Therefore lambda is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 multiplied by small d divided by 4 capital D. So 4 capital D. So this is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 into small d is 0.28. So this is 0.28 into 10 power minus 3 whole divided by 4 into capital D is how much? 1.4. So this is 1.4. So this can be written as this 1.2 and 1.4. No, they are having one decimal place. So shortcut is 12 by 14. I am going to write. So this is 12 into 10 power minus 2 into this is 28 into 10 power minus 2. So totally 28 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 3 will become 10 power minus 5 whole divided by 4 into 14. So 1.2 has become 12 and 1.4 has become 14. Okay. So that now 14 into 2 is how much? 28. Easy for division, is it not? So 28 by 14 is 2 and 4 3s are 12. The calculation has become now easy. So that the numerator 3 into 2 is now 6. So this is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 2 and here is 10 power minus 5. So this is 6 into 10 power minus 7. Okay. Therefore lambda is now equal to 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Correctly the answer has come below the option itself, is it not? So which is the correct option? Option D. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. So this also can be written as what is 6000 angstrom unit. That is also the right answer, is it not? Suppose if they have given an angstrom unit means the answer would have been 6000 angstrom unit. Okay. Therefore option D is the correct answer. So this is a slightly different type of problem. See, in any competitive exam like NEET or JEE mains, okay, you will definitely meet such problems only. In Young's double slit experiment, there are different types of problems. We are going to see in the subsequent videos. Okay, this is one type. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.